Hey guys, welcome to live. On part of our 6 months diploma course, I'm releasing this fifth video, and the topic is about website versus blog. Many times you might have seen people talk about website, people also talk about blog. So I'm going to show you clearly what is the difference between a website and blog and how to make a blog as well. So I'm going to explain. We already discussed in the last four videos how to create a website, right? And today I'm going to show you how to make a blog as well. Let me share the screen first. Share. Right. You can see, guys, this is a website, careerswitch.co.in. This is the website I'm telling. People who are watching, someone tell me why we calling it as a website. And if I open this website, Miriam's, it's e-commerce, and I'm calling this also as a website. And when I open this, what do you call this? People call this as a blog. What is the difference? Why people calling this as a website? This also is a website, and this as a blog. Can someone tell me what is the difference? Why people calling it as a blog? Let me know in the comment. Let me know guys in your comment so that we'll move forward. What makes the difference between a website and a blog? Anyone have an idea? Okay. Let me tell you. Website here I'm explaining, I'm asking the working professionals like who are into traditional marketing or BPOs where there is no career growth. I'm asking them to join my course. So I'm selling my service. When it comes to this, we are selling our products. So whenever you sell something, a service or product, it's called a website. They have a proper goal. When it comes to blog, you just see this. To educate my students, I created my blog where I'm explaining what is Instagram marketing, what is Twitter marketing, what is SEO, what is Google Ads. I'm giving information over here. So even my students also created a blog, right? Let me show you another blog. Here in this video, my student talking about archaeology. He's not selling anything. It's information only. So if it is informative, they're not selling anything. It's called a blog. So this is the difference between website and blog. Website, they sell something, whether it might be service or product. When it comes to blog, it's just informative one. But what they get with this, these ads, they make money with the ads. Okay, if you can write starting movies, technology, fashion, travel, like this archaeology, or any technological codes regarding that. Anything you can talk. And once Google approved your ads, you're part of a Google Display Partner website and you can start making money. Okay, so Salim, hi. Now I'm going to show you how to create the blog. Now, I'm part of practice. My 6 month students, I gave a website. So here, Prashant has created this website. It's about yoga, but still it's just the fourth class. Is still working on it. Maybe next week you might get a good website. He created pages. He properly put it into menu. He applied some theme, and after that he tried plugins as well. You can see this social media plugins, WhatsApp plugin. Okay, maybe contact us from plugin also he might have added. No, he didn't add it anyway. And I gave them some task as well. They might be working on that. So this is the website. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this website completely into blog. Remember, Even though website and blogs both are different, but for both of them, you have to buy domain, you have to buy hosting. The process is same. Only few options are different. Only very few options. If you change them, it will become a website or blog. So let me log in and create it. I logged in. So in order to create a website, I discussed people should follow these things. First, they have to create pages. Second, they have to apply theme. Third, proper menu. Fourth, customization. If it is a blog, what you have to do is you don't have to go to pages. You don't have to create pages. So blog, you don't require pages. You have to create post. Then proper theme you have to apply. I'm going to show you what kind of theme you have to apply. But here also you will categorize in the menu. But post categories will be adding. Fourth is no need of customizing. Yeah, theme customization is not great. Very little customization will be there to make your website blog looks much better. So we will never go to pages directly. We will go to the posts. Okay, right. Now what I'm going to do is we have already created a website. I'm going to delete everything. I'm going to delete everything. So what are the website you created? You want to delete? There is a plugin called WP Reset. If you use this plugin, complete website you can reset. So we have already installed. Let me go there. WP Reset. Scroll down. There is an option called Reset. Reset site. Whatever the work my student has done, it will be removed. Whenever you think that website has been crashed, no more things to do it, you can do that. As of now, only one subdomain I've given. That's why we're removing and adding the new things. Soon they're gonna purchase new websites, then they'll be working on it. So see everything I've removed. I'm gonna make this as a blog now. Let's see, I'm gonna do it. So first, I should log into dashboard. I've logged in. I should go to the post. So no more go to the pages, go to post. I'm clicking on the post. By default, one hello word will be there. I'm just removing this. Click on add new. Now start posting the stuff. Now what to post? It's up to you. Whatever the content you want, you can do it. So as of now, what I'm doing is there are some articles on LinkedIn. I'm gonna talk that. So UK hot favorite for Indian students. We're gonna have live today or tomorrow regarding this. How UK have opportunities for students. So this is the topic. Post name and the content. I'm copying the content here. Actually, we should not copy the content from others. You'll be learning how to write better content in SEO. But as of now, we are in designing part. That's why no problem. You can copy it. Post name, content. I think all of you know about thumbnail. Somebody tell me, what do you know about thumbnail? Let me know, guys. So, what do you know about thumbnail? You might have seen on YouTube regarding the thumbnail. In the same way, here also thumbnail will be there, right? Let me show you here. You just see this? Before you open this blog, can you see something else? This is a thumbnail only, but here we call it as a featured image. Now the same image might be there, might not be there in the content. But on outer layer, they will be adding this. Based on the theme, either it might be available or it not be available. So the answer, the image we see before opening the content, correct side. So before you opening only, you will see this. So post name content, see right hand side, there is an option called featured image. It's mandatory that you have to apply this. Then what I'm doing is I'm going to Google and I'm downloading some image and I'm uploading here. I don't have any image here, or else I can take this image, save image, JPG file, and I'm adding that image here. Right. Set featured image, publish. Nothing else you have to do it. That's it. Post name, content, featured image, publish, and let me open my website tech.oz.in. Can you see this? You can see the article already. When you click on that, you will see the full article. It was a thumbnail actually. Few more options I'm telling you. Post name, content, featured image. Apart from that, there is a category, because if you keep on writing n number of articles, you should categorize them, whether this is talking about movies, technology, fashion. So this is about education. So I'm writing as a education. You might be writing movies as well in the future. So I'm adding all the categories. So initially create some categories, and I'll be writing technology category, travel, political, some viral news, like that. Especially this one, this is about education. So let me uncheck remaining things and update them. At this stage, you will not see the important of this, but once you write more articles, you will see the lot of benefit because of this. Okay, added one content. Let me click on this W and let me add another post. Add NIF. Another post here I'm gonna take is let us talk about education. Let me go to something else. India versus Ireland. Matches are going right. I want to write a article on that. I'm sorry. So there is an article here on NDTV Sports. So this is the topic I'm going, and type the post name and the content. Here is the content. Content is done. What else is important, guys? Post name is done and content is done. What else is important? Featured images are important. So let me try to download this image. So this is a web file. Remember, either it should be JPG or PNG. So this JPEG file will not work. So what I'm doing is, let me download from Google. This is also the file. Let me see another one. There are some other techniques. Even these kind of files also we can download, but at this point of time, I'm not explaining. Come on, man. All are these. Shoot. Better. I can try. This is not relevant, but I'm trying to take this. I don't want to waste your time. Okay, come back here and see here, there is no featured image. Just click on post. Then when you come down, here is the featured image and whatever the image you downloaded, I'm going to add here. Yes, site featured image. And what else we missing? Post name, content, featured image, category. But category, this comes under sports, but we haven't created a sport. So let me add the sports again. Sports, right. Now I'm adding this as a sports publish. Okay. Now remember, guys, try to have 6 to 7 posts. Then designing properly works. As of now, we done only 2. Try to have 7 to 10 posts. Then website designing will be great. Let me add one more post. I'm adding one more post here. For that, let me take the connect content from here. These are all the ads. Mostly these are all ads. We'll take some movie stuff. Telugu movies. Latest Times of India Film Beach. I'm taking this. And this is the movie. Movie name is Pakka Commercial. And click on this W, add new, and the topic name is Pakka Commercial Movie Review. But you don't want to become a blogger, you'll be writing your own content. But as of now, we're just copying the content. Content. Next, featured image here. You have to add the featured image. For this, let me try to download from here. I don't know how this looks. Better I could have downloaded from Google. But let's see. Yeah. Everything is done. Am I missing anything? Category. This comes under movies. I'm selecting the movies. Publish. That's it, guys. I'm done 3 posts only, but generally you should write minimum 6 to 10. It looks good. Now let me open the website. tech.woozy.in. Now see the website. Yeah. Refresh again. Yeah. But see, the theme is not good actually. If you really want to create a blog, these kind of themes are not good. So I'm going to change the theme. All of you try to apply these themes actually. So I've done with the post to create a blog. Post is done. Now select the theme. For a theme, appearance, theme, add new. There are a number of themes anyway. By seeing the theme, we can understand whether it is suitable for website or blog. So these are all good for website. None of them suitable for blog. Uh, 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 None of them. This is good for blog. You can see Chrome News. This is good for blog. This is also good for blog. This is also. But to be in a safe side, what you can search is type news. Then news related themes come. See, these are all good for a news. Selecting a easy one, news portally. I'm installing this and I'm activating it. Before that, our website was like this, which was not proper. Now, after applying a theme of news, I'll just see the difference. And if you don't like it, keep on changing. See, this is good, man. If you write 10 to 20, it looks much more better. You can customize anyway, logo on right hand side, you can custom. But as of now, this is fine. See, this is the featured image. If you don't add a featured image, it will be empty. And if you add, chances of clicking will be more. When I open this, now see the surprise. There is an image, but when I click on that, there is no image here. So featured image is just the outer layer. Sometimes in some themes, this image will come. Some themes it will not be there. That's why if you want, manually add in the content that image. But some themes by default, this image also will come in the content. Okay. Any questions, guys, so far? If you have any questions, just ask me in the live, in the comment section, so that I'll try to answer. This is how you have to create a blog. Any question related to the featured image, the themes, let me know. No questions? Shall I move forward? Okay. Now let's talk about the menu. Here is the menu. So generally what we do in the website, the first of all, we'll create a menu, right? Let's come back here. Appearance menu. Let me add the new menu. Previously we had some menu, but I'm creating a new menu here. Create your first menu. Remove selected items. By default, we have something I'm deleting. I'm creating a new menu. So new menu, create it. But generally, what people will do, they'll try to add pages. This is the blog, man. We never created a pages. Then what we have to add is post. People add post, but post also not correct. Some people might create 1,000 posts. 1,000 posts they can't add manually. Anybody have a guess what we have to add in the menu? So what we have to add is categories. Click on the categories. So select all the categories: education, movies, political, sports, technology, travel, viral. If you want to create all of them, just put it. However you want, you can drag and drop and save menu. And we already theme is done. So the saving post theme menu. Once you create a menu, go to customize, apply it. Now sometimes what happens is here, I created a menu, right? But see here, it's not coming properly. I created a menu, but I haven't applied in a theme. You have to apply in a theme, then only it's look good. Now when I click on theme customization, here also menu option is there. So click on this menu option. In the view all location, here, select your menu name. Then all your categories will come. That's it, man. This is your perfect blog. This is how you have to do the category. Now someone, whenever open your blog, they will see all of them. Okay. But when someone click on sports, only sports blogs will come. See here, only sports blog came. When someone click on education, the education one came. When someone click on movies, movies only come. We have done only 3, but if I write more, it looks much better. This is how you have to categorize it. Okay, guys. So this is all about the blogs. And what is important in the blog is you can customize this right hand section, because customer came here, he want to read the article, and if you read this and leave it, so it's not good. He has to spend more time on that. I'll show you one of my website here. Here. Now just here, whenever you open this article, Obviously, ads are there, but how the ads will come, you'll be learning in the future sections. Someone reading this article, once it's done, I'm also showing the related post. And even right hand side also, I'm showing some content on the customizations. So this comes under widget section. This widget section I'll be talking about tomorrow session. It's really important how to add widget section for a website and blog. Okay, so today's session I just explained what is blog and how to create a blog. The only difference between website and blog is website sells some service, blog will not sell anything, they just give information. For a website, you will start with the pages. For a blog, you'll start with the post. In the menu, you'll be adding pages here. In the menu, you'll be adding the categories. That's it. But you know what? The crazy thing is, both of them you have to buy domain hosting. One single option will make your website as a website or a blog. I'm going to show you that magic. What option differentiate a website and blog? Now, look wise, just see this. And this is really important. I want to maintain both of them. I want to maintain a website. At the same time, I want to maintain a blog in a single thing. Then what I'm doing is I'm adding a page called home. I want to maintain a website as well. And I'm creating one more page called test. Publish. That's it. It doesn't change any of our looks anyway. Okay. Now this is a blog, right? I'm going to make it as a website. Then what I'm going to do is go to appearance, customize. Here, slowly observe the option. Mostly you will see option called home page setting. Home page setting. You have to click on that. But in this theme, it's showing as a static front page. But I can see that mostly you will see option called home page setting. Click on that. Here, static front page. It is asking by default, your blog is showing the latest post. All WordPress websites are meant for blogs only. WordPress started this platform only for a blog creation only. Slowly they came to the website. That's why still by default their option is latest post only. But you don't want to maintain a blog, you want to maintain a website. What you have to do is click on static page. Then you have to mention when someone open your website, home page should be what? My home page should be home. Then you're writing so many posts, right? Where the post should go? All my posts should go to test. I'm telling us a test. Done, guys. This option changed a lot. Now let me see my website, tech.woozy.in. Whenever you open a website, always it will show a home page only, static. Now, what are the blogs you've written, posts you've written? It's been to the page called test, but we haven't added that page here. If you want, you can see it. Let me do one thing. Let me add that page to the menu. So, home page and test page, I'm adding here. Home page and a test page, I'm adding. Right, let's see here. Now see, whenever someone click on test, what are the blogs you written, it will be there. But instead of a test, the page name, if you write as a blog, it looks much better. So people think, okay, all his blogs are over here. So that's why what I'm doing is, instead of this page name as a test, I'm changing it as a blog. Directly you can change here as well. I'm just changing the label anyway. This is also you can do it. Let's see it. Can you see here? Right. Homepage, there is no content. I'll try to add some sample content. So it gives you a website feeling. I think we have some content here. This is the website content, right? So the main difference between a website blog is this only. Now, when you open this careerswitch.co.in, if you open today, 1 month later or 1 year later, almost it will be same. It will not change, Very frequently they change it. But whereas if you see any blog, latest post, whatever they write latest, this will be coming out. It's keep on changing. That is the difference. It's always same. Only they show the front page only. You see here, this website also, they have a home and what are the content they're writing, the articles and blogs, it's going over here. They created one page and added them here. So only one option that will make a difference. That either you can make it as a website or a blog. So as of now, what I've done, whenever people open tech.woozy.com, it's showing a homepage. Means this is the website, it's not a blog. To make this as a blog, again, what I can do is simply do something. Go to appearance, customize. You'll find an option called home page setting. Sometimes you'll see static front page. You just click on latest post so that it will become a blog because it's keep on showing the latest content. That's it. This is how you can differentiate between website and blog. That's it, guys. I hope this session helpful for you. The difference between website and blog. The students who are live, who couldn't come also, I'm giving a task like uh, I want you to write 6 posts, movies, technology, fashion, what it may copy paste. Try to do 10 posts. It looks good, and show me the blog. Okay. And the next session is what you're going to do is once you show me the article, uh, I want to have a website at the same time blog section also separately should be there. You should have both of them. Same like a career switch. How we doing? Should have both. Okay. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, write me here. I'll clear your questions. I hope you understood it. Right. Chalo then. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be talking about widgets, how to customize your right hand side, top, footer, how to customize in the WordPress website. I'm going to explain you. Right, guys. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.